Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Zena. Wyatt is here. He is on bug patrol, aren't you, buddy? I am so glad you're here today. So I am actually celebrating 1,000 videos. Have any of you watched all 1,000? Other than me? I can't believe it's been that many videos. You would think by now they would be professional. It's crazy. So in honor of 1,000 videos, I decided to do a very simple video and sharing some of my favorite items. These are some new ones. These are not, I did not pull them from my closet because I didn't have time, because all of a sudden I realized I was at 1,000 videos and I didn't have time to actually go and dig through my closet and pull some of my favorite items, which I'm thinking about doing, and some of you have really requested that. But these are actually more along the lines of what are my favorite styles as opposed to the actual items that I have in my closet. But that one's on my list, so we're going to do that as well. But we're going to talk about what are my favorite styles right now. Okay, let's do it. And these are from 3 different stores and varying brands. All right, I'm going to get right into it. First up, Mott and Bow. You all know I love the Mott and Bow denim. I think it's fabulous. It's probably the quality is like the premium brands that cost $200 or more. Their denim usually runs around $100, $120. This particular pair is a pair I just got from them. It is called the Slim Boyfriend Allen. This is in the washed black. They also have it in a really pretty summer gray. These run $118, but I do have a code for you to get 10% off anything on their site. Laura10 will get you 10% off anything on their site. I'll put the information down below. I love these because they're a straight leg, number one. They look really nice, full length, or you can cuff them to give that cropped look. I will try these on for you, but I'm really, really enjoying these. They always hold their shape. They feel amazing on. They're perfect for travel when you need to wear something for a long period of time and then get out and run to an event or do something. Wash well, just an amazing denim brand. I also have a few items from the Loft to share with you, because if you don't want to spend $100 on denim, the Loft denim is also another great brand. They're usually run around, I believe it's around $80 or $90 regular price, but you can usually grab them on sale. These I paid $55, $65 for on the sale price. These are the high waist kick crop. You know, right now I'm loving light wash denim. So I love the black, I love the gray, and I'm loving the light blue. So this is a kick flare. I've had to play around with sizing. These are a 26, but they're a petite. So they're a 2 petite, not the regular, my regular size, which I would normally buy, which is the 26 regular or 2 regular. These are petite. I'm going to try those on for you. I also have this fun other pair from the Loft that are called the Kick Crop. These are also in a petite, and they have this fun chewed hem. I paid the same price for these. They have the exposed buttons. So they were also $55, $65. The sale price, and I believe these were somewhere around $89 for the regular price. I also from the Loft got this cute little smocked top. So I thought this was fun. Has the elastic all the way around, that square neck. How adorable is this? And this one was $27.49 on sale. I don't have the regular price. Sorry, guys. All right, and then I also got, for fun, these little slip-on shoes. So they're kind of like the knockoffs to Freedom Moses. These were only $29.60. And I love this kind of bronzy color. Thought these would be a cute beach shoe. We'll try those on as well and see how they look on. All right, so you also know that I love the Every store. I always think they get so many fun pieces. They are a boutique store, and they have styles that just constantly evolve. If you don't grab what you like right away, it tends to be gone. Your size will sell out. They usually only replenish things like their denim. They will replenish denim for a while, like the Parker shorts through summer, which I think they just got their final replenishment even for that and won't get any more now till next year. But otherwise, their styles tend to cycle through very, very quickly, which is nice because then everyone isn't dressed alike, right? But if you want something, you need to get it pretty quickly. So I don't shop there a ton. I tend to stick to just my trends and boxes and try to hold myself back. But I do have a few items to share with you that I did shop myself because these are styles that I've been really enjoying lately. First up is the cutouts. So I love the cutouts. I think you've seen me wear them and keep them from my trends and boxes, and you've seen them in my outfit of the day videos. So anything with cutouts in the tops, I've really been enjoying. And I have a couple I'm going to share with you as examples. Here's one from Peyton Jensen. Has the fun little shoulder cutout here. And I like this in the mauvey pink and the black. So here's the top. Wonderful fabric, very, very soft, and has that shoulder cutout. Can't wait to see what that looks like on. The price of this was $48. I think that'll look pretty with my mott and bow denim, right? Okay, and then I have one from Sanctuary. You guys probably saw this in my trend send. I got it in gray. I love color. It's another thing you all know about me. I love, love, love color. And this one is pink, the pink version with that cutout in the front. A little larger than a keyhole, right? And this one is $49 by Sanctuary. It's noisy out here. I hope you guys are going to be able to hear me well, but I can't stand being inside. It's been raining so much I couldn't wait to come back outside. All right, next up is Michael Starr's dress. This is an eggplant, so more of a fall color. But I love the tank style dresses. That's another style that I love. You probably have seen that a lot on my channel. Easy because you can dress it up, dress it down. Perfect for virtual meetings, so work. Translates well even to the beach or weekend wear. Add a jean jacket, put a blazer on. It's just so multifaceted. And this one was one of the deals of the day on Ever Eve. So they've been doing Friday deals of the day, so keep that in mind. $98 was the regular price. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was $68. Don't hold me to it. It might have been $78. I can't remember because I know they just had cut from the cloth denim this past Friday, and I know the price was $68 for those. But I grabbed this one from Deal of the Day. It has this fun ruching on the side, so you can make that as long or short as you want by playing with that. And I'm loving this color. So you could lighten it up or darken it based on if you put a light jean jacket or whatever color jacket you put on with it, or just wear it by itself and put on a pair of nude shoes. So pretty. Okay. And my last item, this is one of my favorite pieces, is the knit Saturday skirt. I love this. I bought the basic black because I didn't have it. I had a camo. I just bought the fun bright ombre effect. It has the bright pink on the bottom, so it starts kind of in the dark charcoal, goes to light gray, and then goes to pink at the bottom in my trend send. And I realized how much I love these skirts. I just wore one this weekend on a travel day up to work and doing a volunteer event, and I realized I don't have a plain black one. So I picked up this one in the plain black, and it was $68. And these are ones that I wear year over year. So I have a couple from last year. I think one's a tie-dye and one is a gray leopard print, and I love it so much. So I decided I wanted to add a black one to my wardrobe. Obviously a little more casual, but something I want to make sure I had in my closet. All right, so these are some of my favorite items right now I wanted to share. These are newer pieces. We'll see how I did, and let's get right to this try on. Okay, first outfit. I love how amazing this outfit is. So easy, so comfortable, and it looks incredibly dressed up, and basically it's a t-shirt and jeans. So as I mentioned, these jeans are incredibly, incredibly comfortable. These are the kinds you want in your closet because they will forever hold their shape and always last. The one thing about Mott & Bow I didn't mention is that you can actually order two sizes. So if you're not sure what size you are, you can order 2 pair and they'll only charge you for 1 pair. So in other words, if you're unsure of your size, you can order 2 sizes of the same pair. They'll charge you for the first pair, send you a return label, and you can try both pair on and return the pair that doesn't fit. So they have a try-on program, in other words, which I love, as long as your sizes are available. I'm not sure if that works in every single pair of jeans or style of jeans, but I believe it does. They do have availability in most of them. Okay, and the way you order them is based on length as well as waist, right? So I am a 26-inch waist and a 28-inch inseam, and that's how I order them. All right, so in love with these. The fit is amazing. You can see here is the waist. I have the 28-inch inseam, so it hits me right at the top of my foot, and I love them. And then the t-shirt, or this great little cutout, which I love these because they're so much fun. Visual interest is just perfect. I did a little front tuck, and I think I'm ready for date night, girls' night. Perfect. And then I could cuff these, which I'm going to show you because I think these make for a great looking crop pant as well. You could do one, you could do two. I'm just going to do one. And I think that swaps out the look. You could switch out the shoes then for flats and have a more casual day look. Let me know what you think. All right, and we'll get to the next outfit. Okay, second outfit is this fun smocked top. How pretty is this top? Has that squared neckline. It has navy blue and the camely brown through it with the cream background, and I have it on with the light wash kick crop jean. Okay, and then I threw on the shoes so you guys can see what they look like. I think I would wear these more for like a beachy, comfy, around the house shoes. They're really like 25 bucks or something like that. Incredibly comfortable. These are not my go-to style, but I want to try them because they're so popular right now, and this is the price tag that would get me to try them. So sorry for all the noise out here, everybody, but I do think that these are a nice little kick around the house kind of shoe, cool shoe, right? Okay. The jeans are really nice. I love this light wash. They fit really well in the waist. Keep in mind I did go with petite, so this is the petite sizing. I also like because they actually do fit at a crop length on me. Here's a closer look so you can see this smock top. Has elastic waist here at the arm. And then this is all smocked the whole way through the bodice, and then elastic up around the shoulder. All right, and I'm going to swap out the bottom for the other loft denim. Okay, next outfit. So now I have on the darker denim with the chewed hem. How cute are these? I have to tell you that these are a little stretchier and softer. So I really like how these feel on. Love the chewed hem, like the exposed button, and overall love the jean. I also think that you could like wear this top off the shoulder. It's just gonna get noisier out here until I get this video done. This is what 1,000 videos looks like. But here's what it looks like closer up. So this smocking keeps everything right in place, and so you could easily wear this off the shoulder if you wanted for a different look, spice it up for date night, keeping it interesting. This is my 5th video recording of the day, and I think it's telling me enough is enough, huh? Oh, that's funny. What do you guys think? Like it off the shoulder? I think I like it better on because I think I'll just constantly be wanting to like pull it up anyway, but I think the top is really pretty. All right, we have a couple more outfits. Okay, so next up is this dress. I love a great tank style dress, and the Michael Stars one with the ribbing on the side just has a multitude of sins, right? You can cinch it up, pull it down, make it longer, shorter, wherever you like it. This color is a great one because I think it goes pretty much 3 seasons, spring, summer, or fall. Winter might be a little bit harder. At least in my case, it gets really, really cold here in the winter, so I usually don't like any leg exposed. But you could actually do this in winter too, just with the appropriate top layer, right? But for me, probably 3 seasons with this color. And like I picture this like right now in the summer with a tan, a light tan layer, a white layer, but you could, or a shimmery goldish type topper. So I did clear shoes. I have a really pretty goldish silk bomber jacket. I think would look really, really pretty with this, and I absolutely love it. So I love the ruching down the sides, has a slit on one side, not on the other. Such a pretty, pretty dress. And here's a closer look so you can hopefully see the ribbing. I just absolutely think a tank dress is one that every woman should have in her wardrobe. Great for packing, great for getaways. Just in case you want something that you didn't expect to have to dress up for, you could work with a dress like this one. All right, we are almost done. I have one more outfit for you. Okay, final outfit. This is the Saturday skirt and the cutout top. This one was by Sanctuary. Love this as a go-to for just about anything. You don't have to get super dressed up and can go with the relaxing bottom. This is the one. So comfortable. Great for long rides in the car. I know. I just did one. Love this top. Perfect for those video calls. Perfect for those outings if you have things to do with your kids. Perfect for those backyard barbecues. Perfect for those graduation parties that are happening right now, and all those backyard or outings outside that haven't happened for so long and we're so happy to go to right now. Also great for underneath a jacket because you just have some more visual interest, and so comfortable. Also, I think perfect for, again, the getaways, right, that we're all trying to make right now. The black version of this skirt is so soft. I think only the one that has that variegated effect is a little bit thinner than the rest. But this one is incredibly soft, comfy, cozy. You could sleep in it if you wanted to. But here's what the outfit looks like. Definitely one of my favorite outfits, favorite styles. And of course, I love the pink and I love a basic black bottom. And that is all of my favorites to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you've hung out with me for many of my 1,000 videos right now, a huge thank you. So appreciate you. Love you all. I love my subscribers. Thank you for all of the amazing support these last few years. I wouldn't have made it this far without you, and there certainly wouldn't be 1,000 videos without all of you. So thank you very much. Hope you appreciate this. Please hit that like if you did. Again, would love to hang out. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do. It helps me continue to make you videos and maybe another 1,000 more. I can't imagine it, but we'll get there. All right, from me and the sidekicks, we send lots of love to each and every one of you. And until next time, bye everybody.